And all right, if you're trying to decide between Gamma AI and Microsoft PowerPoint, this quick guide will help you understand which one is better for you in 2026. First, ease of use. Gamma is super simple because AI creates everything for you. Yeah, you just type your idea and it builds slides automatically. PowerPoint, on the other hand, requires manual design. When it comes to speed, Gamma is much faster. You can create a full presentation in minutes. PowerPoint takes longer since you design each slide yourself. Now, customization, PowerPoint wins here. Yeah, it gives you full control over every detail. Gamma is simpler, but a bit limited for advanced design. Gamma is built around AI, so it helps with writing, structuring, and design. PowerPoint has some AI features, but not as powerful or automatic. Gamma makes sharing easy with live links. Yeah, you don't always need to download files. PowerPoint also supports sharing, but usually through files or cloud tools. Gamma is best for quick content, YouTube slides, or beginners. PowerPoint is better for professional, detailed, or highly customized presentations. Gamma offers free and paid plans. PowerPoint usually requires a Microsoft subscription. Yeah, that can be a factor for beginners. So, which one is better? If you want speed and simplicity, go with Gamma. If you need full control and advanced design, PowerPoint is still the better choice. And yeah, that's the comparison between Gamma AI and PowerPoint. Choose the one that fits your workflow and goals.